In this tutorial, you will learn about the plural form of the adjectives in Russian. You remember what adjectives are. It's words that provide a description of a noun by responding to the question, what kind or which. You also should remember the endings for the adjectives in singular. Here, masculine adjectives have endings oi, uy, or i. Feminine adjectives end in aya or yaya, and neuter adjectives have endings oye or yeye. Now let's see what happens in plural. The question word which kind or which for the plural form is какие. Then the endings for masculine ой and uy, for feminine aya, and for neuter oye change into uye, unless the consonant right before the ending is one of the letters from the 7-letter rule that cannot have y after them. Then we have to change y into i, iye. And the endings i, yaya, and yeye change to iye in plural. Let's look at the examples. The word big has 3 different forms in singular. Большой for masculine, большая for feminine, and большое for neuter. The endings ой, ая, and oye should change into uye in the plural form. However, the letter sh is part of the 7-letter rule, that's why we have to change it to iye. The word new, новый, новая, новое have endings uy, aya, oye that should change into uye. V is not part of the 7-letter rule, so we just add the regular ending uye, новые. Синий, синее, синее, which means blue in English, have endings that should change into ие. Синие. Now let's see some more examples. Это интересный город. If there are many interesting cities, you would say это интересные города. Это интересная книга. Это интересные книги. Это новая гостиница. Это новые гостиницы. Это новое такси. Это новые такси. Это новый парк. Это новые парки. Это синий чемодан. Это синие чемоданы. Это синяя сумка. Это синие сумки. Now let's practice. You will see an adjective and a noun in the singular form. Your task is to change them into the plural form. If you're not sure how to change the nouns in the plural, please watch the tutorial, The Plural of Nouns. Here are the adjectives that we will use in this exercise. As always, you have 3 seconds to come up with an answer. Let's start. Это большая комната. Это большие комнаты. Это интересный фильм. Это интересные фильмы. Это хорошее кафе. Это хорошее кафе. Это новая гостиница. Это новые гостиницы. Это интересная книга. Это интересные книги. Это вкусный обед. Это вкусные обеды.